Good morning, students. So today we are going to complete our book exercise and question answers of chapter 7, living and non-living things. So the first question is, classify the following as living and non-living things. So there are few names, and you have to classify, is this living things or non-living things. So scooter, you tell me it's non-living thing. Rose plant is living thing. Robot is non-living things. Cake is non-living. Parrot living. Fish living. Okay, so now come to the B. This is a fill in the blanks, and here are the answers. Living things can move and breathe. Okay, so dash and dash are natural non-living things. So rock and mountains are natural non-living things. Plants breathe through dash on their leaves, tiny pores on their leaves. Green plants make their food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Non-living things do not need non-living things do not need food to live and grow. True, false. Write true and write T for true and F for false statements. Okay, all living things can breathe. True. Non-living things can feel. False. All animals reproduce. True. Non-living things move. True. No, not false. Okay, so now I will go to the D1. Answer the following questions. Why are non-living things important? So open the page number 54. So on the page number 54, these non-living things are important because they make our life easy and comfortable. So you can write like that non-living things are important because they make our life easy and comfortable. How do plants breathe? Plants breathe through the tiny pores on their leaves. So जो tiny pores है वहाँ से they breathe. Okay, so how do plants breathe? Plants breathe through the tiny pores on their leaves. Why do animals move from one place to another? So open the page number 52. 52 page number. Animals move from one place to another in the search of food and shelter. ओके, सो एनिमल्स क्या होते हैं, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह क्यों घूमते, ताकि उन्हें खाना और शेल्टर मिल सके. ओके, सो अब नाउ लिस्ट सम कैरेक्टर. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, लिस्ट सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. सो ओपन द पेज नंबर 54. Yes, so here are so many characteristics of non-living things, so you can write any 4. So I'm telling you the first 4. Non-living things do not move their own. Okay, so this is one of the characteristics. Don't write example. सिर्फ आप इतना ही लिखेंगे तो that would be enough. Non-living things do not move, do not need food and water. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not reproduce. Okay, so non-living things क्या होती है, मूव नहीं कर पाती खुद, उनको फूड और वाटर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, उनको वो ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाते और उनको रिप्रोड्यूस भी नहीं कर सकते. They do not grow. They do not feel. So these are few examples also, like table fan, radio, balloon. So this is the characteristics of non-living things. Now the last one is list some characteristics of living things. So open the page number 52. So on the page number 52, there are so many characteristics. आप कोई भी 4 लिखिए, write any 4 in the copy. The movement in living thing is one of the characteristics that are their life. जो movement होता है उनसे ये पता चलता है that they are living things. Human being can run, walk. Animal move from one place to another in the search of food. Plants do not move from one place to another. They show their movement in the different way. So basically movement is very important. So you can write any 4, but you don't have to write the example. And an activity I have already told you that you have to observe an aquarium and make a list of living and non-living things. So this is the activity 1. Now come again the page number 71. And there are hots. There is one hot. high order thinking question. Which of the following things are made of living things? तो आपको मुझे बताना है कि ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं उसमें से ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो लिविंग थिंग से बनी है. चेयर, ग्लास बॉल, लेदर पर्स, पेपर और गोल्ड रिंग. सो टेल मी व्हाट आर मेड फ्रॉम लिविंग थिंग्स. सो फ्रॉम तो ये सब आप सोचिए, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में बता ही दूंगी. And now come to the activities. Don't make a list some living and non-living things. See you around. Write 2 features of each. So this is the activity 2. Activity 1 मैंने आपको बता दी. Activity 2 है that आप ऐसी लिस्ट बनाइए, वट एवर यू सी अराउंड योर सेल्फ लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग, उसको लिखिए. सपोज आई एम सीइंग दिस बुक. Okay, this is book I'm seeing, that is non-living thing. It is not, it cannot move, it cannot feel. So I will write book and then I will write 2 features of that. Okay, just in front of me my brother is standing, so he is a living being, so I will write 2 features of his, right? So this is how you have to do the activity. Now project zone. Sit in the park near your house, observe the things around you and draw color any 6 living and non-living things. This you can also do कि आप पार्क में जाइए and see what are the living things there and what are the non-living things there, and you can draw it. And the last one, last project zone is make a collage of some living and non-living thing using old newspaper and magazine. So you can make a collage, है ना, you can take out the cutouts from the newspaper and magazines and paste it in the collage. Life skill, हमने इस चैप्टर से क्या सीखा? Life skill, animals are also living things. We should not tease or harm them. We should give food and water to them. So this is the life skill that we have learnt in this chapter, that animals are also living things. If we are making leather purse, so that is made from animals. So first we have to kill the animal to make that leather purse, right? So they are living things. They can, we should not tease them and harm them. We should give food and water to them. Okay, now come to the page number 55 and read with me. So there are 3 key terms: living things, things which have life; non-living things, things which do not have life. Stomata, tiny pores present on the surface of leaf. Okay, now page now I know. Come to the now I know. After completing this chapter, these are the things you should know. All living things around us can be divided into main groups. So जितने भी living things हैं, they are divided into 2 main groups: living things and non-living things. Living things can move, feel, breathe, grow and reproduce. Non-living things do not move, feel, breathe, grow and reproduce. So this is how we have completed the chapter. I can share a video with it, so do watch it and understand the chapter, and all the best for your exams. From tomorrow we will start the revision.